Hi, and welcome to Lou's Reviews. Every Tuesday at 2 p.m. we review a new tool or app, or we show you a how-to. And this week we are going to look at an app called Krisp. Now, I don't know about you, but when I'm doing coaching calls or webinars, I get a lot of noise in the background because I work mostly at home, and Rocco the Pug likes to make his presence felt. And it seems like every time I get on a call or a webinar or something where I need quiet, the guy next door decides to mow his lawn, or there's always something. So Krisp is awesome because it mutes all of that background noise. And I didn't believe it until I heard it, but I had it tested with Rocco barking in the background. And lo and behold, once I installed Krisp, I didn't have that problem. Now, this is really easy. It's for Windows or Mac. And basically, once you install it, it will basically be kind of an add-on to your microphone so that you can not be worried about barking dogs or background noise or anything that may be in the background. You can both speak and listen without noise. You can use it with a ton of apps. It works with headphones, mics, headsets, speakers, anything like that. And for me, I have it hooked up to Zoom because that's what I mostly use for conferencing. But it works on over 600 different conferencing and messaging apps. Again, really easy. You just download it, select Krisp as the microphone that you're using, and there you go. You mute out the noise. You can download it for free. And once you do that, let me switch over to the pricing here. Once you do that, you can see here again, there's a free version, 2-week trial, 1 year of pro with referral, or it's $3.33 a month to use on 3 devices. A total bargain for having a nice, quiet, clean call or recording. This is especially important if you're doing classes, or if you're narrating a PowerPoint, or if you're on a Zoom meeting, or if you're doing a Loom like I'm doing here. It works really well. And again, I don't know how they do it, but it works. It will mute out 20,000 different noises and 10,000 different distinct speakers. Now, again, what I'll do here, and you won't be able to hear it because of the audio. So I'll do a separate audio track and show you here, because they show you here on Krisp, which is KRISP, how it's built to block out any noises. So if you're listening to regular street noise, again, I'll have to put this audio in separately. But the regular street noise talking would be this.
Like most leaders, you're probably juggling limited resources, short timelines, and constrained budgets, but still need to make innovation a reality for your business. FutureThink makes it easy to build your team's.
People are searching for something. A new car, a wedding gown, the perfect job, a great vacation, a new house, happiness. Everyone is searching.
So again, really, really great bit of software, an app that you can use. Just install it once. Very reasonable, and it actually works. So if you're having any trouble with background noise during your meetings, conference calls, Zoom calls, coaching calls, anything like that, Krisp will take care of it in one click. So check it out. I will put the link below, and good luck and enjoy. Bye for now.